Ayu ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kale. Omla ban sngoto. Kadba ke pisau patba kadang penlut degi klor tengka hakita masa bapher. Kadba ki bedai hok ban yo hadian bagila penlut ik umsem bat kabor ke soru kim yo e ke bainong. Sngo sangsot iki bangat akan kejeng nado kinong trei ka MCCL bat kumjo kinong hikai school SSA. Kam tamai ne ka ayom rakhe ke Christmas bat kejeng pediang ya ke senam thamai. Sasisian kinong yalam jong keseng kinong hikai school SSA kilhab ban penbena banyai beteng ya kejing yaki. Halor kejing kuman ke Sarkar ban pelaj ke tulop jongki mentala kumbasan benai. Ha kejing kendo beginong pathai kubor ha ka arpu arterik mentau no pra arhajar arpuwei ha Shillong Press Club. Kini kinong hikai kila penbena banyai beteng kejing yaki jongki dagbapha ekshiti halor ki mat jeng dawas ke Sarkar. Kamtam mansion no ek tulop jongki kabala palat san benai menta kata nado unailar hado unopra mentagasnam arhajar arpuwei. Hagni kesngi yashua bagani kekenhuan kanwani kenduk kinong pathai kubor ladap pha abyang ru daga jengtho alor ki mat jeng dawa jengki cha menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma baca menteri Sarkar bakmi ketenat pulih puthi uba la kemen remboi ban pelaj no ya kepisa ban siu keturap jengki kabakot sispa sau klur tengka kabadai tang shipau nak sispa kabag Sarkar jela kan hab ban buria nak keplat tengka jongka kat ba khandai pau nak sispa apat kadai kebawan nak Sarkar pedang.
To manage or pay the salary of the SSE teachers in advance from the state budget. So the question here is, the question arises, why the state government are not doing this? Why the state government are not following the provision of RTR section 7 clause, clause 5 to our pending demands, that is our pending salary for almost 5 months. The state government have not released our salary almost for 5 months. Okay. Yesterday we have launched the non-cooperation movement in the entire state of Meghalaya, which the SSA teachers will not take part in any programs of the state government. The programs, it may be from the health department or from the sport department or from the health department or from any departments of the government. We, the SSA teachers, will not take part in the program of the state government till the state government release our pending dues. So today, a part of our protest, today we launched the letter campaign. We launched the letter campaign to the Chief Minister and also to the Education Minister, which will be started from today itself, from 22nd December 2021, and it will be ended till 14 January 2022. And during this letter campaign, each and every SSA teachers, they will send their grievances through the letter campaign to the address to the Chief Minister and also to the Education Minister. So after this letter campaign, if there is no response of if the government still not release our pending salary, as we have already announced earlier, that we will continue our protest, and on 21st January 2022 we will do a peaceful protest, that is a sit-in demonstrations and also a light candling in the capital city of Meghalaya in Shillong.